Hi, I want to share with you how I came up with the idea for this course and what exactly the beta version is. So real quick, I started designing sprinkler systems in 1999 using AutoCAD LT at that time for creating plans, and we used Haas for creating hydraulic calculations. Um, at that time, I started with just a high school drafting background, and I dove headfirst into the fire sprinkler world. Over the years, I've developed a unique training method, starting with residential systems, specifically NFPA 13D, or single-family dwelling units. I guess that would include duplexes as well. And then moving on to more complex NFPA 13R, or apartment buildings up to 3 stories in height. And then after that, I generally will teach my technicians and then I will give them an sample project to work on that is a 13 residential system that is a little bit more complicated than a 13R. Has standpipes, maybe an attic system. A lot of times there'll be a commercial space on the first floor. So we kind of, this step-by-step approach that I've developed kind of builds a solid foundation before we tackle more advanced concepts. And so I've been creating YouTube videos and training people using practice files and one-on-one sessions, both my own technicians and people that have reached out to me and sought my services as a consultant. And really since I've been developing the YouTube videos, I've been able to kind of streamline that process. And the last few people, it basically took, I gave them some sample CAD files to work with along with my YouTube videos so that they could practice, and then it basically took around 6 to 8 hours of one-on-one explanation for filling in the gaps to get them started to where they could start producing drawings. So the idea of this beta course is we are taking 8 weeks, creating plenty of opportunities to get your questions answered, to be equivalent time period of the 8 hours that I've used to explain things to my technicians. And so we're going to have Q&A after the Wednesday night lecture. We're going to go for at least a couple hours. We're going to have another one on Sunday morning. And in addition to that, I'm going to have some open office hours during the week where I will be just at my computer station working on projects. And if you pop in, you can ask me any question you want. There's just plenty of opportunities, like I said, to provide you with the support you need. We give you the skills that we give all of our people. We give you the tools. We show you how we do it. This is basically just teaching you our system. I've been producing fire sprinkler drawings for 25 years, and we're just laying it out to you how we do it. So I also have this template that I have developed. Now, if you are already a CAD drafter and you're already in fire sprinklers, you might look at this and say, that's not a big deal. It's not, wouldn't be hard for me to reproduce. But one of those things might not be the case for you. Basically, this is has all of the notes and details that I have developed for my own use for NFPA 13D projects. I have templates for creating 13D projects, 13R projects, 13 projects, specifically ones for tenant improvements, those types of things. So this is the one that we use for 13D. That's what we're going to be practicing on in the course. And you can, once out of this course, we'll talk about in the course ways that you can increase that knowledge and go beyond. By joining the beta course, you can be the first to experience our in-depth NFPA 13D CAD training in this group format. Take advantage of the special beta price that won't be available once the course officially launches. Your feedback will directly contribute to the refinement and improvements of the course. This special offer is only available for a limited time. Once the beta phase is over, the course will be offered at its full price. So don't miss out on the chance to enhance your skills and shape the future of our training program. Join us now and be a part of this exciting journey.